you make a difference, so God bless you. Thank you. And with that, I now recognize the ranking member, Dean Phillips. Okay. Don't pick up your sound, not them. The chair notes a disturbance of the committee proceedings. The room will be in order. And we now proceed with Congressman Dean Phillips.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Free Imran Khan, the first democratically elected Prime Minister of Pakistan. He will save Pakistan. He's a humble, great leader. Free Imran Khan. Free Imran Khan, a great democratic leader in Pakistan. We need Imran Khan. Free him from a death cell in Pakistan.
Congressman McCormick will now continue with his full 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.